People who have shit themselves during their adult life. What happened? I drank way too much coffee before going to a yoga class with my sister one morning. Afterward, we went out for breakfast at a diner and consumed some seriously greasy food and even more coffee. About an hour later, I'm browsing at a craft store, and the perfect storm of coffee, greasy, and relaxed muscles hits. While standing in the beating aisle, I let what I thought was only going to be fart loose. It was not a fart. It was hot liquid shit. I tied my jacket around my waist and butt clench shuffled out the door. The whole drive home I wondered if a human being could actually die of embarrassment. Fortunately, by the time I got home I was giggling like a madwoman. While cleaning myself up at home, I kept cracking up laughing and realized things could have been way worse. And now I have a, "Hey, I shit myself in public too" story.